Hey there, it's Rachel. We're going to Walmart. Gotta get Andrew a couple things for his new job. He's gonna be a waiter, so basically he needs a bunch of things that are black. Black shirt, black tie, black socks, black pants, you get the gist. So we're gonna go do that. I have my third cup of coffee for the day, so let's go. All the pens. So I just had somebody chase me yelling Tiffany because apparently they thought I was one of their friends. Happens a lot as a redhead. I get mistaken for people all the time. In fact, I used to have teachers call me by different names, which was really embarrassing. I'm used to it, you know. As a redhead, I guess I look like all the other redheads. And I don't even respond to my own name because there's so many Rachels. So that's just the struggles of being a redhead named Rachel. We're gonna go to Specs, get some rum, and head home. Oh, I look bald. Anyway, welcome to my forehead. I'm kidding. We're back home. Went shopping for about 4 hours. Got almost everything we needed, so it was mostly successful. But we're gonna work out now. As you can see, I have changed into my outfit. And then I have some chores to do. Bunch of laundry. And vacuuming and things like that. And then my sister's actually coming over tonight and we're having a video game night, so it's gonna be pretty fun. And I'll see you guys later.
One eternity later.
So, note to self, don't ever work out after drinking 6 cups of, I can't even talk, after drinking 6 cups of coffee and like no water, because I'm about to die. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna shower. Okay, we're making Italian nachos. Already showered. You're not in it, don't worry about it, stop watching me. God. Showered, I'm squeaky clean, and now we're gonna cook. What you need, a bunch of chips, cheap chips, doesn't matter. Sausage, we do turkey sausage, you can do pork. We have black olives, Alfredo sauce, that's the key ingredient, that's what makes it Italian, mostly. Pepperoncinis, a little bit of pickling. Pepperoni, again we're doing turkey, but you can do pork. Obviously cheese, lots of that. And seasoned chicken. And of course, some foil covered pans. So let's get cooking the chicken. Chicken! Ah, so many things. Poke it. A little longer. Now we chop the sausage, which is really weird, I know, but I like to cook it in patties. Cook up those sausages. Oh shit. Ah! Bent! What's that? Ah! I do that sometimes. Only good cooks make the fire alarm go off. Chicken. Oh, okay. And cooking skills. I just do whatever works. Oh. Get a quick little chop since these are already kind of chopped. Down we go. So I don't have to chop these. So now we're gonna stir it all up. So you can see there's a pretty even ratio of everything in there. Not too many pepperoncinis, they're pretty strong, but that's just about right.
Is it Princess Lady?
I lived! God, just not out my nose. Thank you. That's also the reason I date you.
You should shake it.
You may be wondering, isn't that going to make it soggy? Yes, but in a good way. Oh no, I got it on the cabinet. There's white stuff everywhere! They are looking delicious. So, really, just some melted cheese. Get all the flavors melding. Okay. Well, that's all. Battery's about to die. It was a long day. Long, good day.
You're gonna show any of the
Andrew
video
says
games
bye. No, we're gonna play video games tonight, but I'm not ready to show them how nerdy I am just yet. So that's for another time. So I guess until next time, guys. See ya.